are you watching the birds?
Oh, yeah. If he had his way, boy.
You don't think so, do you? He just likes the birds.
And
He
Margaret
wants,
just said, well, it was nothing. He was watching. And
he just
they
wants to
came
be
up with his
friends.
mouth and
Yeah.
ate them.
Just wants to be
His
friends.
tail was wagging. It wasn't like he was.
That's what I'm saying. Well, that blue came up with brighter in the tail of that bird.